Hi, today I am explaining Python programming class 3. In this class, I am going to cover string working with strings. Total 10 topics are there. What are there means? String concatenation, string repetition, length of string, string indexing, string slicing, slicing to end, slicing from start, negative indexing, reverse string, membership check. In strings, in membership only, again two types are there, that is in and not in. It should be discussed in brief in coming sessions. Now, what is meant by string concatenation? String concatenation. See, joining any two strings together is known as string concatenation. What? Joining strings together is called string concatenation. Example, I am taking a hi, closing double quotes. We can use double quotes. Strings represented with double quotes enclosed a sentence hi. I am taking. For giving space, I am giving plus symbol. See, plus. I am using double quotes with the space. Okay. Again plus. Nani. Hi Nani. I can return. See, giving hi, double quotes with space and hi. The output should be and print. Print this A. When we executed this program, we get the output. What? Hi Nani. See, these two strings together concatenating. This is known as string concatenation. Next, another type is string repetition. What? String repetition. See, string repetition. String repetition in the sense operators is used for repeating strings any number of times as required is known as string repetition. What is string repetition? Operators in the sense this operator is used repeating strings any number of time as required. This is known as string concatenation. See, string concatenation. Example, I am taking here A equal to dollar into symbol 10 times I have taken. Again I said print A. I will get what output? Output should be 10 times of this dollar. Ten times the output should be. In this way, this is get. Then multiplication, and this dollar should be multiplied the operator value how many times? 10 times. Output should be 10 times we will getting. This type of operation is known as a string string repetition. Okay. Next, coming to length. Length of string. What is known as length of string? Length of string means we can use len. It's written the number of characters in given string. Length of string means it returns the number of characters in a given string. Example, we can take username. Username hi Ramya likes. You have taken. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is there. So taking variable as length, I am using this operator len length of this username. Print length. This length I am printing here. What we get? The length should be will get. String indexing. What is string indexing? String indexing, we can access individual characters in a string using their positions. Positions in the sense which starts from 0. These positions are called index. Okay. See, I am writing. We can access an individual characters in a string using their positions which starts from 0. Okay, starts from 0. These positions are called index. These positions are called index. Suppose we take an example. We taking A as input, Ravi. See, first letter should be this A, and our tag is this is 0. When we can't how it will you tag, we tag first letter 0, 1, 2, 3. I want this first letter, so I am using indexing 0 here, closing with square brackets. Later I am print this first letter. What I will get the output should be R. In this way string indexing will be done. Next concept is string slicing. String slicing means obtaining a part of string is called string slicing. Strings from the start index and stops at the end index. End index is not included in the slice. What is string slicing? String slicing, obtaining a part of a string is called string slicing. So string slicing means, once again, obtaining a part of string is called string slicing. Starts from the start index and stops at the end index. End index is not included in the slice. So here I am taking one message. Hi Nani. I am taking. I want some part of this string. In this message, I want hi in the sense 0, 1, spaces 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the positions of the hi Nani. Okay. Then I'm taking 3:7. Okay. then I am printing in Python. I want part 3 to 7. 3 means 0 1 2 3 up to 3, where it is starting 3 and it is starting, where it is closing and index is not included. Okay, output should be nani will become high will be not included. In this way we can string will be sliced. Next, slicing to end. Next, sliding to end in any index is not specified. Sliding stops at the end of the string. Slicing. See, I'm typing a message. Thus, I'm taking the same example of hi Ravi. I'm taking part of this in this message. I have to take 3 is to. See, I am leaving an index here. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So from where it is will be starting R. So the output should be, when we print part, the output should be get Ravi. So this is the slicing to end. Okay, an index means what? In an index is not specified. Sliding stops at the end of the string. Okay, next, slicing from C. Slicing from start in the sense, if the start index is not specified, the slicing starts from the index 0. That is known as slicing from the start. If the start index is not specified, the slicing start from the index 0. This is known as slidings from the start. Example, what is means? See here I am message. I have taken the variable hi Ravi. I am taking the part, this message only. In this message I need, now I am in, before we have taken slicing to end. Now in this we are getting slicing from start. So I am not writing anything here, just 2 columns, 2, what there, 0 1 2. So up to here I am need. So when I print this part, what will I will get? I will get output should be high. This is known as slicing from the start. Okay, slicing from the start is over. Next is negative indexing. Using negative index to start the slice from the end of the string. See, suppose I am taking B is hello Varan. I am printing, I am using print, and this B square brackets -5 to -2. What will the output should be get? Anyone guess? Output, see, when we taking minus, we have to count in reverse order, like -1 -2 -3, -4, -5. In this way we have to take. See what we get output, -5. -5 in the sense of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -5 here. -1, -2, -3, -1. So here it starts from -1. So this what is required. Output should be up to when -2 -2 means and index is not required, -1 -2 up to here means this part will be get. When we use this operation, the output should be O or L in the while. This will get. This is the negative index. Okay. Next concept, reversing string. Reversing string. Reverse the given string using the intended slice operations. Suppose you are taking A is a hello world. A is a hello world. In that A, I am making A equal to C. I am using 2 apostrophes. 2 and get -1. When I should print A, what will I get? I will get the reverse order. When we use this operation, we get reverse order. What the output? D L R O W O L L E H. In reverse order, this is known as a reverse string. We can use this real. So reverse the given string using the extended slicing operations. In this way, this is known as a reverse string. Next, but not last, this is membership check-in string. Membership check-in strings. In this membership check-in strings, 2 types are there: in, not in. In what we have, by using this in operator, one can determine if a value is present in a sequence or not. Okay, by doing this in operator, we can determine if a value is present in a sequence or not. Sequence or not. So example I would take L as a variable, assigning to Python. Okay, I'm taking result as L or result as R or P. I'm taking keeping string P in L, print R means result. What will get I output? What is the output I will get? See, P is in this, P is in L. Yes, P is in L means the output should be, we will get true. Now what is not in? Not in means by using not in operator, one can determine if a value not present in the sequence or not. Simple. Same it is, but it is opposite to in. The not in operator can determine if a value is not present in a sequence or not. Same this example only. I am putting this P in L, not in L. When I am using not, the output should be, what I will get? False, because not there. This is known as membership check-in strings. So this is about class 3. In this class 3, I am completed string concatenation, string repetition, length of string, string indexing and string slicing. These definitions and examples, and also slicing to end, slicing from start, negative indexing, reverse string, membership checking in and not in. All the examples and theoretical part have been completed here. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.